Good morning, everyone, and welcome to New York Metro Weather's daily forecast discussion for today, Wednesday, August 17th, 2011, and we'll get right into it. The good news is today looks to be finally a precipitation-free day. What you're looking at is the 500 millibar heights, the middle of the atmosphere, and you can see a area of ridging building into the area, a ridge of high pressure, the trough that provided the unsettled weather over the weekend and even into Monday and Tuesday is up now over New England, and the heights are rising, and the winds now are out of the north and even back to the west, or out of the west and northwest. This confirmed on the visible satellite. We take a look at the surface pressures, and you can see the higher pressure building in, the low pressure now up well northeast of New England, up near Newfoundland, and the high pressure is building in over the Ohio Valley. What this means for us is fair weather is on the way. It's going to warm up tomorrow, and it looks like we're going to have a more average day. Temperatures might actually get slightly above average into the upper 80s. We take a look at the NAM forecast for tomorrow for 18Z on Wednesday, and we see temperatures in the upper 80s, and it looks very pleasant. No precipitation to deal with. West winds, northwest component to the wind, a dry wind, lower dew points, just a really pleasant day. Light breeze. It looks like it's going to be one of the better days in recent memory tomorrow, or today, pardon me. We take a look at the NAM, and we look at the reason here with the vorticity and the upper level heights. You see the rising heights we're looking over here. This is a ridge of high pressure building in. Here's the high pressure in response. It's a calm weather pattern for Wednesday, and it looks like highs in the mid to upper 80s are the way to go. With the calm weather, we'll take a look slightly into the future to Thursday, and unfortunately, it doesn't look like we have as much good news to offer for Thursday. You can see there's an area of calm weather on Thursday morning, but by Thursday afternoon and evening, notice the short wave that starts building in over central Pennsylvania. This feature is well modeled, and this could be enough to trigger off showers and thunderstorms. If you believe the NAM, check out the precipitation, the 3-hour precip here on the top right, and you can see an area of showers and thunderstorms being advertised on the higher resolution models. Whenever you see something like this, you wonder where is the consistency, and you take a look, I always do, at the SREF, which is an ensemble, which means there's more than one model, so it accounts for the variance, and you can look at a bunch of different models averaged out. This is the probability of thunderstorms on this model Thursday afternoon, and this is pretty high. We're getting to 40-50% throughout the region, so obviously there's pretty decent agreement of the potential for thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Obviously, we know we have the short wave, and we take a look now. These are the instability parameters, the CAPE, the convective available potential energy in the atmosphere. And I mean, these aren't earth-shattering numbers, but it's enough to get thunderstorms going Thursday afternoon. The other thing you want to do when you're looking at thunderstorm forecasting is take a look at the shear, because the shear needs to be right for thunderstorms to survive. So we take a look. This is Thursday afternoon and evening, and the shear is pretty weak. 30 knots or so of bulk shear. That's enough to sustain organized thunderstorms, but these storms are not going to be groundbreaking severe weather. It's not going to be, an organized line of widespread wind damage. It's probably going to be more isolated to scattered thunderstorms, but nevertheless, thunderstorms will be in the forecast on Thursday. So enjoy Wednesday. Wednesday, once again, looks sunny, beautiful, temperatures in the 80s. Thursday, much of the same early on, but then a chance of thunderstorms as you head towards the afternoon. One final note, and this is an interesting one. The International Space Station is making its pass over the New York City metro area. It did so on Monday, Tuesday, and is doing so on Wednesday once again. If you look to the sky just to the west around 8:25 p.m., you'll see the International Space Station rise and pass overhead. Now, this is not some kind of large orb. It's not, an incredible fast-moving meteor. It looks really like an airplane or a planet, and it's going to pass over the area in about a 4-minute time span. So it's actually really cool to look at, and I've been watching it the past few days. We've been alerting you guys on Twitter and Facebook, so go check it out. Try to take some pictures. If you have a pair of binoculars or a telescope, it'll be even more awesome that way. So let us know what you think, if you take any pictures or whatever, and as always, interact with us on Facebook and Twitter at NYMetroWX. We'll be here, we'll be on Twitter, we'll be updating the website, so give us a shout out, we'll respond to you. We love interacting with you guys. We hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and we'll talk to you guys soon.